Okay, and the indicator you can get for free at currencytraderpro.com is on the screen here. Again, just to give you an idea of what it can do. You launch the indicator from important pivot points. This was launched many weeks ago. And this is a weekly chart. You can see here the kind of potential support zones that it points out. And obviously support is made to be broken, so you have to have a trade plan in place to capture these moves, but to prevent any large losses when you move through that area. But you can see again, these are the areas that you want to really be paying attention and looking for the appropriate trade setups. Each of these little triangles is actually an indication, I should say an alert, that that level has been touched. So just bringing your attention to it. Again, you can see up in here, we're getting an alert in this area, we're getting an alert in here prior to this move down, and then alert so that we're paying attention to the support zone. And then, but you know, we have a real-time alert intra-week if we choose, to this test, and then again to this test prior to this huge move down. And then again right into support, and we are paying attention again as we test these levels. Again, a test in here, and it doesn't look as this one bar doesn't look as impressive, but when you consider that we tested this upper resistance area and then moved down, this is all big move. I mean, this is a full week's bar. So if we had dropped down, if we had been paying attention in here on a daily or intraday time frame, we could have captured an enormous move right in there. And then, you know, you can see we're being alerted to this, all of these support zones, to this resistance, to resistance in here, not quite as clean. Support, resistance, and you know, this is the area that we hope we were able to enter and then hold through for a break to the short side. Yeah, of course, as we tested support in here, we might have gotten long intra-week, but then if we were looking on a daily or intraday chart, we would have been able to have, we had plenty of opportunity in here to start considering a short position. And then certainly on this break right here, when we have an open the next week, there's a big opportunity to capture this move. Okay, this is the Japanese yen, by the way. Same chart on a daily time frame now. You can get a little bit better view here. When we launch the curve from this point, you can see we perfectly captured this test and then perfectly captured this test. Now this is on a daily time frame. Again, as we're testing on the daily, we drop down into a shorter time frame and further refine our risk to reward on specific trades. And we can take a look what this move down looks like on a daily time frame. I mean, it's just a tremendous move. Okay, and then as we got a little bit of retracement for this big move down, we were able to launch curves, and you can see again that they caught the two retracements perfectly, and there was plenty of opportunity to hone our entries on these retracements to, you know, capture this continuation down. And then again, we have plenty of opportunity to capture certainly this retracement. This one fell just short here, but still came pretty close to that alert level right in here. We wouldn't actually have had an alert, but you can still see, had you been looking at this visually, that we were getting darn close in there. So if we had a really good short setup on this on the day that it actually, oh sorry, this is the daily, so on this day intraday, we would have been looking for good short setups and potentially caught a multi-day move down. My goal typically is to capture the top fifth of the day's range prior to a move like this. Alright, register below for a free copy of the indicator in the video. On the website, you're going to be gaining access to free weekly alerts. So when we are approaching important weekly levels, those will be posted on the website. In addition, and for the time being, I'm going to be posting when I'm done coding, which will probably be the next 2 to 4 weeks. I'm going to be adding daily alerts. The first 25 to register will be receiving a discounted pricing on any future premium products. That will be going forward permanently. Learn a new highly effective trading methodology that is complementary to most existing trading strategies. You will find that this indicator gives you a good indication of whether your existing method is going to find support or resistance at certain points. I think that you will find it extremely helpful in relation to that. Fill in your information below and join us today. I will look forward to seeing you on the other side.
Rock the house,